Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to give you a quick tip about your electric fireplace. So, if you've purchased an electric fireplace with crystals inside, and that is standard on a lot of electric fireplaces these days, did you know that you can remove those crystals and replace it with something else? And one of our most popular replacements right now is a black rock. So in the fireplace behind me, you see black rocks inside our XLF 60, and we've replaced the crystals that are standard with that unit. What we do is we take one 5-pound bag of large black rocks, and then we take another 5-pound bag of very small black rocks to fill in the gaps between the larger ones. The black looks really natural with the flames, and we've put a little bit of red in our flame here. But the black seems to emulate that coal or burned down look that you would expect to find in a fireplace. So somehow it comes across as natural and a far less blingy than crystals. So if you're looking for a natural something to put inside your electric fireplace instead of the crystals, try black rocks. And with electric, those can be regular rocks, regular pebbles that you might get at a landscaping supply, the dollar store, wherever you might buy natural stones and pebbles, and or Stylish Fireplaces. We sell them for a lot of our fireplaces. So black polished stones have become a very popular interior for your electric fireplace to replace the crystals inside. And that's your quick tip for today from stylishfireplaces.ca.